Replacing a VDC model vacuum gauge. First, remove 3 bolts. Then, prepare a new vacuum gauge and make sure that the O-ring is fitted well. And then, equip the new vacuum gauge and fasten 3 bolts. Be careful not to damage the thread on a door when assembled. Lastly, open the door and make sure that the O-ring and the hole of the vacuum gauge are in a row well. Replacing a VDR and VDP model vacuum gauge. Loosen the vacuum gauge counterclockwise to remove it. Then, prepare a new vacuum gauge and make sure that the O-ring is fitted well. Then, fasten the new vacuum gauge clockwise to equip it. Replacing a 3-way valve. Open the door and pull the lower rail to remove it. There are binding grooves at the front and back. The rail can be taken out when pulled to the arrow's direction. Loosen the nut using a spanner. Hold the valve by the other hand so that it does not move. Equip the new valve. Assemble it in the order of washer and nut. Check the components: 3-way valve, washer, and nut. Hold the valve by the other hand so that it does not move. Reassemble the lower rail. Mount to the binding grooves at the front and back.